Hi everyone, and greetings from Hinterlands headquarters. This is Conor O'Shea. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce the Populate2D Grasshopper component. Here is the definition that we will be building together. We start with a 20-foot by 100-foot rectangle, and then we fill it with a random population of 2D points. Start by drawing a 20-foot by 100-foot rectangle. Then in Grasshopper, go ahead and activate bifocals. Then under the Params tab, go ahead and select Curve. Click there. Right-click on Curve. Go to Set One Curve. Click on your rectangle to connect it to your Grasshopper definition. Next, we're going to use the Pop2D component to populate this region with some points. So let's go ahead and connect the curve to the region. Let's create a slider for the count. I'll create a slider of 500, and we'll automatically set it to a 100 value. Now we're going to change the seed, which is any number between 0 and 100 that allows you to change the configuration of the randomized points within this rectangle. So we'll create another slider, 0, 50, 100, connect it to the seed value. So if we change this, it changes the configuration, but the count remains the same. Next, because we're thinking about planting design, we're going to connect some circles to these points. So go ahead and type in circle here, double click, type in circle, choose this one, circle S or CNR, connect population to the center. So it's going to draw a circle at every single center point there. They're a little small right now. So let's drag this over. Let's create another slider. I want to create a radius of 1 foot. So that is 12 inches. Our Rhino file is set up to draw in inches. So we need to consider that over here in Grasshopper. Let's connect this to the radius. So now we have a 1 foot radius. But because we're thinking of these as plants, why don't we add another circle for the center point? Let's connect population to center, and let's create a slider of up to 12 inches, and we'll have a 1-inch radius here. It's a little hard to see that, so why don't we go ahead and right-click on Pop2D and turn off the preview so that we are only looking at the circles. Now, if you want to change the count, you can do so here with the slider. And if you want to change the configuration, you just use the seed.